fuck.
Hi guys, today showing you some footage from Stormforce Airsoft, playing with my new WE Scar L. This is the first time I've played with this gun on the field, and it worked pretty well today, apart from some issues with the bolt locking back on an empty mag. So the footage I'll be showing you is from the morning game. The morning game lasts about 3 to 4 hours, and about halfway through the objectives started to get a little bit confusing. We didn't know what was going on. What we were supposed to be doing at that time, so we decided to lock down an area that was seeing quite a high amount of traffic, just to give our team the advantage of being able to move around. So on this map, on the right hand side is where most of the action seems to happen, and because the site is mainly forest and bushes, you can't just sort of pick a straight line and walk. It naturally funnels you into certain paths, which break down to one circular path around the whole of the right hand side, with 3 smaller paths going through the middle, as you can see. So we decided to set up on comms, which sits right on top of one of these main paths, and locking down this area effectively just cuts off a route of support for the enemy team. There was 3 teams. We were on the yellows. There was also blues and reds. So we held this spot for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we saw quite a bit of action there and held the enemy up for quite a while. So I'll let it play and show you what happened.
Yellow. Nice and gassy. They were right up on this building just. Are you dead? Yeah. Yeah, I'm still there.
So site rules, if you get hit while you're being medicked, you and the person medicing you are both counted as hit. So I'm keeping an eye on this guy that I hit a bit earlier on because I know there's some of his teammates behind him.
Line of fire! Red player! Yeah, plug that, Andy. Fuck you! Fuck's sake. I ain't gonna have to shoot anymore.
So you'll see I keep checking my mags. Because my bolt won't lock back, I can't tell when I'm empty, so I need to keep checking. I think that was the only time my bolt locked back all day. It doesn't do much good looking at your top of your mag if you can only see the first BB.
They're dead. Red's coming on the left.
Thanks for watching guys. I think you'll agree that the footage could be improved upon with a gun cam, which I'll be getting soon. So subscribe if you'd like to see that. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.
My foot got caught and I could not pull it forward. Right on the kneecap.